Greetings to you, all beautiful souls. Let's learn these three beautiful styles with just one base. Alright, so you're all welcome to my channel. Using these pieces of Ankara material, you have seen the width very small, the length is long. Alright, so I'm going to fold it two equal half this way. Watch closely what I'm going to do. So I started pushing it with my thumb inside, then pressing it down from the outside, thereby forming a pleat. Watch closely. So I'm going to do that till I exhaust the material. This is just Ankara fabric. You can use your ashoki fabric to even do it. Just one layer of ashoki fabric can do it. Alright, so picking up the rubber band now, I fasten it together from the middle. Wash closely, please. I am begging you, always wash my hands so that you'll be able to understand what I am saying. Alright, so I have fastened the rubber band now in the middle and arranged the plates. So definitely you are going to have something like fan. Watch closely. So I'm arranging it now so that it will be equal. So after arranging it, I pick up my hair bounder. That's it. You see that? Then I'm going to use this one now and place it in the middle. This is how you can create just your simple fascinator hair band. Alright, so picking up the rubber band now, I hold it from the middle, then I fasten it together. That plaited fabric, I fasten it together with the hair band. Watch closely. Make sure it's very tight. You can go 2 times, you can go 3 times until you are satisfied with the firmness. Alright, so I arrange it very well now. See, so this is what you're going to have. Then you just wear it. Your fascinator head wrap, hair band, I don't know, is ready. So that is it. You can see, just make sure you arrange it very well, that those pleats up lap on top each other. Make sure they are on top each other. So you have your beautiful fascinator headwear. Alright, so you can decorate it further. Use your hair accessories and cover that rubber band in the middle. Just cover it up and you are good to go. Cool to go. Look at this. Very nice, very simple, very easy. So that is the first style. Please don't go away. Let's look at the second style now. The second style. So bring the two edges together this way. The two edges together from the up. Pick your office pin and fasten it together. Another wonderful style is getting ready. Yes, so that is it. That is the second style, wearing it on your hair bounder. You can see how beautiful it is. So you can wear it and glow. Now you can remove it now while we look at the third style. Okay, just remove the pin. Okay, so please, this is the first time you're coming across my video, you're hearing my voice. The person you're hearing her voice is Demi Entertainment on Facebook and Demi Gele Empire on YouTube. Okay, so you can use your hair accessories and fix it in the middle just to cover that rubber band. Then bring the two edges together and pin it. This after you have removed it from that hair band. You're going to use it to form another style without the hair band. Alright, so bring the two edges together. I've pinned the other one and this is another edge. Bring it together, then use your office pin and hold it. Watch closely and hold it there. So definitely you're going to have it all round. You watch, see what is on my hand now. So you're going to have it like this all round. then adjust it very well, and you use your clip. If you have a very long clip, so this one is short but you can still do the work, but they have all this long fancy clip, just put it, open that rubber band in the middle and make sure you put the clip inside it so you can hold it this way. Then with the clip now, you fix it on your head. Then arrange it very well. The third style is ready. Look at it now. Isn't it cute? Beautiful, elegant. So with this, you're ready to rock it out. Alright, so that is Demi Entertainment on Facebook. You're seeing and hearing her voice, and Demi Igele Empire on YouTube. Please do well to drop your like, drop your comment. Please share my video. Welcome you all. See you in my next video.